What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W. coming back at you guys again today with an awesome interview. Today we have Bradley Sutton, host of the Serious Seller podcast, and we're going to be diving into some product research tips, and we're going to look at this new black box feature inside of Helium 10. So without further ado, Bradley, would you please take it away, and let's just jump into it, man.
Yeah, so it's funny because when I first got a sneak peek of this tool a couple weeks ago. I told Manny, our owner, man, I think we either shouldn't launch this tool or we should just keep it for our elite members because it's too powerful. I'm like this is insane. Like all the top sellers who have ninja ways to get their niches are all going to be pissed off at us because now anybody's going to be able to find these things. It's that crazy. And I did a demo like with one of our top influencers. I can't say who because or else it'll spoil whose products it is. But I just literally picked a complete random search using what I'm about to show you guys, and it only came up with 39 results. Out of 700 million products. As I was scrolling down, he's like, Bradley, you need to take away this feature from your users. I was like, why? He's like, you literally just showed 3 of my products, either that I am selling or I'm about to launch. So like this, and he's a high 7-8 figure seller. So guys, you are about to have a different way to find products, an opportunity on Amazon that 7 and 8 figure sellers are using. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here.
Yeah, so this is.
And have you played with this at all yourself?
I honestly haven't. I just did an interview yesterday with Student Success and just been real busy showing my dad off a little bit. He's been coming up making, 15 sales a day, 3 weeks in, but this is just brand new. So I haven't even had a chance to look at it, man.
All right. So we all know what the regular black box for products, I could enter in all kinds of criteria here. And then what happens is it'll show me a product. And then I take that product and then I go validate it in Amazon, which is still 100,000% a great way to search for opportunity, because we're looking for products that have different characteristics. But now what we have is kind of like black box for keywords. And I hope my Chrome, I just reinstalled my Chrome browser. It's been going off and on today, but hopefully it'll be good. So basically, instead of searching for a product, it's actually searching for keywords. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and put like 20,000 right here. So like I'm looking for a keyword, and guys, there's literally an infinite number of possibilities. I'm going to try and do something similar as to what I did on some recent demo because I don't want to burn too many products. I am not exaggerating about how powerful this is and how much we're going to piss people off. All right. So here, I'm going to say, show me a keyword that has estimated at least 20,000 searches per month. I don't want any one-word keywords. Usually one-word keywords might not have much buyer intent. So I'm going to say, show me a keyword phrase that has at least 2 words. And then I'm going to say, show me a keyword phrase where if you take the top selling products from page 1, not all of them, but a certain number, a flexible number of the top performing products for this keyword, and if you take their average number of views, it's less than 100. And so that would mean like, shoot, if there's a keyword that's being searched over 20,000 times, but all of these top products have less than 100 reviews, it's probably like a newer niche or not many people have gone onto it. What else am I going to do? I'm going to pick 2 home categories. Let's do home and kitchen and dining. And I think that's about it. Like literally I could do so many things here, price, monthly revenue, like maybe products that a lot of the top ones are low star rating. I could pick ones that are fulfilled by seller, knowing that if I come in with FBA, I can, have an advantage immediately from day one. But literally, guys, take hours to play with this because it's pretty amazing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and search. And that found 39 phrases. And now some of these are just crazy. All right, let's take a look at, let me see here. Where's the one that I had found? Here we go. This is the one that I had found the other day. Guys, take a look at this. Taco holder. All right. It's actually got 30,000 estimated monthly searches. And look at the average reviews on page one, only 65. So like you might think there is no way that a keyword that is searched for 30,000 times has this few reviews. So let's actually go into Amazon and take a look. So now these are taco holders. I didn't realize this was a thing. I mean, I love Mexican food, but when I eat tacos, I don't need a fancy holder. I just want to eat it. So I guess there's 30,000 people a month out there who like to show their tacos in a fancy way. So take a look at X-Ray right here. Or actually, just take a look at this first page, just right here. This is Amazon itself. Look at this. We've got one guy with like 1,000 reviews, but look at these other ones: 211, 31, 41, 14. I mean, the page one position, like what is this, 4 or 5, only has 14 reviews, 60 reviews, 74 reviews, 40 reviews. I mean, this is crazy for something that's searched for. So then you run X-Ray, which is kind of how you would have reverse done it. Like the reverse way of doing black boxes, I would have found one of these taco holders, right? And then I would have tried to find what keywords are driving the sales, and then I would have landed here. But take a look at the sales even. It wouldn't be that hard to scale. You know, I've showed you guys before, I believe, the collagen peptide search where every single one is selling like $1 million on the top. You know, to get that kind of sales velocity to kind of compete with those guys, it would be near impossible unless you had like bottomless pockets. But look at this. Only one guy is doing a crazy amount of sales. The rest of the people are selling like 10, 20, 30 units a day. Hey, that's doable to scale to that kind of amount. Now take a look here again at the reviews. 1,200. Look at all these 2-digit reviews on page one. 10. This guy has 0 reviews. He's brand new. So this is what shows you that there's like possibly still some opportunity here. I'm not saying, guys, everybody go source taco holders. You know, I've been trying to blow up this product because I figured nobody's going to do a taco holder. I don't want 50 people doing this and then say, Bradley, by the time I launched it, there's like 1 million people because I didn't realize 500,000 people saw your video and where I said taco holder. But you could see that, hey, if a listing with 0 reviews can get on page one and start selling, you know, even if it's just selling like 2 a day, this is something where there might be opportunity. There are more here. Let's take a look at some of these others. Let me see. Where was a crazy one? Let's see. Here we go. Pineapple decor. Like, what in the actual heck is pineapple decor? It's searched for 28,000 times. Monthly sales, 400. And again, low review count. Let's take a look here. So these are just a lot of random things, but it looks like for whatever reason, pineapple decor is trending. All right. 1,000 people a day are searching for pineapple decor and buying these things. And then again, look at these review counts, which shows you how new of a niche it is. Look at page one, position 2 and 3. Look at the one that has Amazon's Choice. Amazon's Choice has 16 reviews. That's how new this niche is. By the way, just to show you guys the opportunity here, if you were going to do it, which again, I'm saying do not sell taco holders, guys. Let's see how, look how easy it is to find. If we go to Alibaba, and then we're going to go ahead and type in taco holder, I can probably find some of these exact ones. Let's see. Here we go, right here. This is a 1, 2, 3 with a 2 taco. Let's see. Boom, there it is right there. 1, 2, 3 with a 2. Yeah, okay, so there's a 4-pack for $20. All right, 4-pack for $20. This one has a little groove on the end, so that's a little bit different. I think that one didn't have a groove. No, here, this one has the groove. Yeah, so maybe actually that's this one. It's selling for $21.97 instead of 4. The very first thing is actually it right here. $1.58 times 4. Guys, there's for anybody who says, hey, there's no opportunity on Amazon, there is opportunity on Amazon. Let's look for one more one here. Let's see. Wreaths for a front door. What the heck? 20,000 searches a month. Let's take a look. Oh, this is simple. I mean, every single one is almost the same, just maybe some different flowers. These looks like artificial flowers. And again, look at these reviews. There's no, 1,000. You're just as a reminder, this is what you don't want to see here. And this is what most people think all of Amazon is. We go to Collagen Peptides. We look here, 7,000 reviews, 4,000, 3,000, 1,300. If you come in with a product with 5 reviews because it's brand new, is anybody going to click on your listing right next to these giants in the industry? Probably not. But you come in with 5, 10 reviews next to one that's 16, right, or 41. Hey, it doesn't look too bad. So, guys, I just showed you. This was all from one search, and there's actually some that I'm purposely like skipping over fast because it's too good to show you guys. But what I did 1, 2, 3 different filters and plus a category. That's it. You can see how many different filters you guys have available to just search for hours for amazing keywords that maybe sellers don't even know exist.
Yeah, I think this is absolutely, wow, pretty mind-blowing. And the thing that I would just need to do after this is maybe I would put in the monthly revenue at a minimum so that I'm searching for products that are going to still make a lot of money and have that low review rating. I mean, if we ran X-ray on pineapple decor, I'm sure those products were a little spotty in terms of like, is it a pillowcase? Is it this? But you can run X-ray and see which ones are making most of the sales, and maybe you found a niche. Maybe it was the pillow niche that's doing a lot. So that's just where you start. This is an excellent starting position. And Bradley, wow, what the hell are you guys doing over there?
Yeah, and then what you just said actually just brought something to my mind. You could actually go both ways right here. You could say, hey, yeah, show me something that's selling at least $10,000, like most of the top products, or at least 1,000 or whatever you want. But you can almost flip that and say, show me stuff that's making a maximum of like $3,000, right? But still has this search volume, because what that might indicate is everybody's searching for it, but they can't really find what they're looking for. So then if you go here's another tip. What you do is, if you see something like that, what you do then is you go to Pinterest, right? Because this is like, Pinterest is way ahead of Amazon. Am I going to be able to get in here? Let's see. I don't know. There, I got into Pinterest. All right. So what I would do is, I mean, I don't think this is probably going to be the same things, but I would say taco holder. Now, let's say here, all of a sudden I started seeing a trend like like this right here. All of a sudden, wooden taco holders were oh shoot, I actually do see some wooden ones. Oh, okay, wait a minute. I might not let you post this video, because I might have just discovered something right here. Wooden taco holders, right? So you know what? Let's go take a look at that. Wooden taco holder. Aha! Look at this. Okay, so let's just say, for an example, if I had run X-ray here, this is probably going to be a low search right now, I would assume. 81, right? But let's just say that this number had a very high number of like 20,000 or 15,000. But as you can see, the sales are fairly low. Well, what that could tell me is like, hey, tons of people are searching for these taco holders, but since there's not that many that look like what people are looking for, they're just not buying them, because there's still metal ones coming up here. So like, this could be another way to find opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, this is again just mind blowing. And I like the little tip on Pinterest, because like you said, it's a little ahead. You can catch these trends and come in, and there's all this different trend data, Google Trends, all this stuff that you can look at to see what's on the rise. I mean, and the startup investment in one of these types of products is going to be just so small. If you're a new seller, I mean, that's what you just want to get your feet wet with, and then, use these tools to progress your skills and looking at higher ticket items, more profit margins, all that good stuff.
Exactly.
So yeah, I think we're going to kind of leave it at that. We don't want to give away too much great.
No. You're going to have to start charging for these videos. Can't give it away for free no more.
For real. But thank you, Bradley, for being on the channel for this quick call. And I hope everyone enjoyed it. And if you did, please drop a thumbs up. Go check out Bradley at the Serious Sellers podcast. And he's just all over Helium 10. You know, if you type that in on YouTube, you guys are going to see some of his other great videos. And I will have a link down below to maybe Bradley's page. You can check him out there, as well as the just Helium 10 tool if you want to look at that. I'm not sure, do you guys have like a free trial with Helium 10 at all, or?
Yeah, there's a free trial. So make sure to give them your link down below so that they can click on to go, just go to Helium 10. There's a special link that they can click on. And then you guys can do a free trial, but it's very limited. Like, for example, I don't even think that tool I just showed you guys, you can use the regular part of Blackbox, but that part you can't use. So if you guys just want to try it, I'm pretty sure Luke has like some 50% off coupons or something. But here's a secret between us. Don't tell my boss, but you could pay the full price or pay 50% off for 1 month, whatever. But if before 30 days you guys aren't happy with it, hey, we don't want your money. If we didn't satisfy you, you can literally, before 30 days, email and you'll get 100% of your money back, because we're here to make you guys happy. And if we don't make you happy with our software, we don't want your money. So you can it's kind of risk-free if you think about it. So I would say, guys, don't do the free trial. I mean, do the free trial if maybe you don't have anything to sell yet, you know, but I would say go all in, do the full month, and then try it out for 30 days. And then, like I said, if you're not happy with it, or you're like, hey, I'm going to sell on Etsy or I'm going to sell on eBay. Obviously you don't need Helium 10. Just ask for your money back and we'll give it back to you.
That's awesome. Yeah. I mean, I have tried the free trial and it is limited, but I didn't know you could maybe just ask for your money back. I'm sure your guys' customer service is on par with some.
Don't tell that to everybody.
On par with some of the best, but I will have actually a discount link now that I remember that. I think it's 50% off your first month. And then there's another link there that maybe gives you additional percentages off for months after that. So go check that out, guys. And thanks again, Bradley, for joining us today. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.